Here at Drupa, we have just launched the next generation PlotWave and ColorWave printers, their brand new T-Series. So Canon has decades of experience in the market of technical drawings and designs. And our customers are very happy with our printers. They are reliable, robust, very easy to use, and deliver an excellent print quality, thanks to our radiant fusing and crystal point technology. These are both proven technologies with over 62,000 printers installed worldwide. For the next wave of innovation, we focus especially on those topics that are most important to our customers. So just when you thought this technology could not get better, it just has. Firstly, we focus even more on productive ease of use. With, for example, remaining media length indication, remote on function, the operator attention lights. We use a new and a more powerful PowerSync Plus controller. This is to improve processing power as our customers' files become larger and more complex. We also launch our new job submitter, PrismaProduce Tech, to further improve our customers' workflow. So secondly, we offer updated IT security features for the economic lifetime of the printer. We help our customers to keep their systems secure using our latest Smart Shield security features, including, for example, automatic Microsoft security updates, password printing, and so on. And finally, we focus on support for our customers' sustainable business initiatives by, for example, keeping the printers in the field for a longer period of time. So the new T-Series is built for longevity. We know that our printers are being used for many years. And after that, more than 85% of the printer can be reused or recycled. We now not only support our printers with our excellent service and support organization, we also have developed a security roadmap to keep our controller fit and secure during the economic lifetime of the printer. So our new ColorWave and PlotWave systems are not only a safe, but also a sustainable investment for the years ahead.